hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video we are going to see about the Selenium. Selenium is one of the most popular open source automation testing tool, and Selenium automates web application for testing purpose. Selenium is an open source tool which is available free of cost, and this is the best tool available in the market for web application testing. And key feature of Selenium is it supports for executing a test test cases on multiple browser platforms like Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, etc. And Selenium allows you to control a browser from language of your choice. You can choose any language like Java, C Sharp, Ruby. Selenium is available for operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. And Selenium can be used for functional testing, regression testing, compatible testing, and user acceptance testing. It is mainly used for regression testing. And Selenium is a browser-based testing tool. It can be used for automating the desktop It cannot be used for automating the desktop application. And we have a different components in Selenium. Selenium is not a standalone automated tool. It is a suite of tools. For example, Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Let's see Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE is a plugin that you can install in Chrome or a Firefox browser, which will allow you to quickly record and play the test cases to see how test cases look like in Selenium. And Selenium WebDriver API is used to automate any of the web-based application using the language binding that are supported. For example, Selenium WebDriver with Java program, Selenium WebDriver with Python, Selenium WebDriver with C Sharp, etc. Any other supported programming language. And Selenium Grid component. Selenium Grid is another important component which will allow you to distribute the test cases which you have written in Selenium WebDriver with any of language binding on different platforms and different browser compatibility, so that you can get better coverage and your execution is faster. And drawbacks of Selenium is a browser based testing tool. It cannot be used for automating the desktop application and mobile application. It can be used only for automating the web based application. And Selenium supports different browsers like Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Internet Explorer browser, Safari, Opera, and also Selenium supports a different environment like Windows, Apple OS, and Linux OS operating system. It will support this environment. And we have different programming language. Selenium supports a different programming language like Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, Perl, PHP, JavaScript, etc. And if you like this video, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.